Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. We can track the amount of calories burned on this watch in a few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. So if you wake up the screen on your watch and you see the watch face, some of the watch faces display that info. This one doesn't because I customized it a little. As you can see, we have steps all the way around. But you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the menu, look for something that displays the calories. For example, this one does. So you can select it, and here we have the calories burned, as you can see. And also you can customize the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu again, find the watch face you fancy, but maybe it doesn't display the calories, you can then tap on custom and swipe left and look for the function page. Not all of them have this, but most of them do. And once you select the function, you can tap on the widget, for example this one, and then scroll through the list, look for the calories. It should be somewhere here. It's called move for some reason, but the icon is with the fire. And once you select it, you can then tap on the watch face and it will be applied, as you can see. Another way to check the calories burned is to use the widgets. So if you swipe left on the home screen on the current watch face, you can scroll through the list of widgets, and first one is activity records, and here we have the calories burned. Also, if you go even further, I believe you will have another graph with the calories. And if you tap on the activity record, it will open the app, and here you can check more detailed info. So if you swipe left or right, you can change between daily or weekly stats, and if you swipe up and down, you can scroll through the different graphs. And here we have the normal one, the default activity record, but you can also scroll down and you have the goal and the number. And like I said before, you can also check the weekly info by swiping left and right. And here we have the average from all of the whole week, basically. Okay, and if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to check that info. So if you bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, and then open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it so you can see the health page, like this. And once you open the app, you will see the health page. Here we have different health data, and as you can see, we have the activity record right here, and we have the calories and the graph. You can tap on the move option, it will open the menu, and here you have more detailed information, like a graph for the whole day, the progression. You have also a move breakdown, and you can tap on weekly, monthly and yearly info to check the more stats than on the watch. And once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.